We got a new prodigy. Hey guys, it's Tamara Linkowski from Healthy Treats Market. I'm in the Davison Farmers Market, and I'm going to do a market video for you guys before Christmas here, so you can see how much Christmas shopping you can do. This is my friend. Okay, we're open Tuesday, this is Thursday and Friday. So we're open today and tomorrow from 9 to 5. I'm sorry, today 9 to 5, tomorrow 9 to 3. So we'll be open Christmas Eve. Okay guys, these are all really cute dresses for little girls, and they're super good quality. As you can see this picture here, this little girl wore this dress back in 2017. She still has it today, 2021, and it still looks like brand new. Okay, so I'm gonna walk. This brand is Smile. It's like LuLaRoe, but it's cheaper and actually better quality. That's why she's using it. We're gonna go walk through the market now. I want to just show you guys all the different things you can do. We have gift cards too at Healthy Treats Market. So if you want to come get someone a gift card, you can do that. And we'll talk more about us later. I want to walk through the market now. Okay, there's this booth here. This lady's got some really cool stuff. These poppets are big right now. All my kids have poppets. She's got poppet purses. I love this little thing right here. This is for kids. If you want something for kids, they can just play with them. It's like a little purse that you can fold and take with you anywhere you want to go. She's got clothes, bigger poppets down here. All kinds of cute little things here. More stuff over here. There's just a lot of kids stuff you can get here, but there's also delicious food and things you can do too. There's soaps. Lori's got tons of soaps here. Lotions, candles. She's got some really good smelling lotions. What plants? Air plants. What are those? Show me what those are. These right here. Look how cute those are, just to set on your desk. It's just a cute little gift to give someone. Bath bombs. All kinds of stuff. These are nails. These are those stick-on nails that are nail polish that stay on for a while. If you want to get these. Yep. And then there's candy here. Wow, these look delicious. I am like super duper keto. Like, I have a bad heart, so I can't, but my kids do. Yeah. Oh wow, you've got asparagus too. Cool. So is this keto friendly? Okay. Oh, that's delicious. Dried asparagus, guys. Look at that. I'm telling you, you can find all kinds of stuff here. Those nature people, you guys know them. They've got all kinds of stuff, oils and teas and spices and different things. And this is my favorite place to eat beef jerky, along with other things. I love J. Dean's. We have J. Dean's all the time. All right, let's walk around. How are you doing? Good. I'm just going live to show people. $5 jewelry and $1 jewelry. Oh, look at that. They've got little rings for kids. Yes, that's so cute. We got earrings for children. Oh, how nice. And necklaces. You got stuff for men?
Yeah, we got beautiful leather. We got bullets, necklaces. We got leather bracelets.
That's awesome. Guys, everything here is reasonable too. Oh, we're even selling puppies. Look at that. Do you guys want to say anything about these puppies? Are they purebreds?
Yes, these are purebreds. These, we got papers along where someone can register them.
Okay.
We were raising these for 18 years, and they're from registered stock. You know, this female, we started out with AKC mom and dad. And over the 18 years, we got this female from our own stock.
Okay.
We don't keep paperwork up.
Okay.
And then that's, you know, this one, they can't register these.
Okay.
But they're from registered stock.
Registered stock?
Registered stock.
Okay.
You know, like AKC stock.
Okay. Okay.
And these are the straight backs. German Shepherds got better hips.
Okay. Yeah, guys, you can even come here and get little puppies. Aww.
No.
Porters. There's all kind of gifts you can get here. Coffee, you can come drink coffee. You can eat at the Keto Cafe. You can feed your kids at the Comfort Food Eileen's place they got. Here's some more stuff here. This sweet lady crochets most of what she sells and writes on these. Squeeze the day. They've got all kinds of juice, guys. They've got little power ones. They even make salads now. Energy bites. And here's my old booth. Look how good they made this thing look. Look at this place. Look what they got here. Check out how cool they got holiday cupcakes. Look at this, guys. Look how beautiful this is. This is their menu. This is their sale today. Here's their gourmet cupcakes. There's CBD here, guys, if you use it. I did use this to lower my blood pressure when it was really bad. And it also helped my back pain go away from my spinal. So that's what I love about it. There's all these gift packages. Look at these. Look at these gift packages. I'm telling you guys, come to the Davison Farmers Market. Again, we're open today from 9 to 5, and we're also open tomorrow from 9 to 3. And there's Bob's Fudge, Nana and Papa's Fudge. He's even got keto fudge if you want to get anything keto. This is Bassam, the green olive tree. You can eat here. And Penzine Produce. Living Water. They've got everything Michigan made and organic. They just got really neat stuff here, guys. Here's another booth. Neck pillows. A lot of these things these ladies make on their own. Baby blankets. All kinds of things. Look at these blankets. Look how cute these are. They got wallets. These are so beautiful. Hat, gloves, mittens, scarf. All different things you can get. How are you guys doing? Good. Ooh, can I use this as a paddle? I tell all my customers I want to get a Healthy Treats Market paddle for everybody that cheats. That's so cute. Pies. You can come buy cheese for the holidays. You can buy meat from Nob Hill for the holidays. You can, look at this, turtle brownie, caramel brownie. These are good prices, guys, for homemade stuff that's not, I mean, even though it's full of sugar, it doesn't have additives and preservatives like the other stuff on the shelves do. So it's just a better selection for people that aren't doing keto. Look how cute these mugs are. Look what a cute gift that would be. This is called KMS Security. They sell all kinds of knives, different things, self-defense weapons. You just got to come here and check out what they got, and they'll show you everything. Popcorn, cookies, you name it, it's here. Okay, guys? Again, Davison Farmers Market, 9 to 5 today. And we'll be open tomorrow from 9 to 3. So come see us. We love you. Thank you for supporting us all these years, guys. And God bless you.